So this month, myself and Aidan have got you a very special guest all the way from France. He's an incredible mentalist, and when it comes to the thinking and deeper understanding, his thoughts are golden and insane. He's going to be teaching you something which you probably already know, but I can assure you, you've not seen it like this before. The things that you're going to learn in this lecture are going to leave you being able to do, well, this.
That's insane. Because here's the thing, this card was here the entire time, right? And think about that. You could have said the 9 of diamonds, the 6 of hearts, or even the Jack of clubs. But you didn't. You felt for some reason that I was trying to send you the 5 of spades. And that card was there and you saw it. That would be amazing, right? If that was the 5 of spades.
I can't feel my brain.
Now I have to be honest with you. I completely hate multiple outs. Ever since I've seen so many magicians and mentalists do them badly, I've completely hated that system. What I'll be sharing with you is my reinvention of that age-old system, which I call multiple paths, which has allowed me to fool even the smartest magicians and mentalists from all across the globe, and that will allow you to do so as well.
Yellow ball looks tempting, but I'm gonna stick with the pink one. I really like pink.
You're sticking with pink, and I'm glad you did. Here's the thing. You could have chosen green, but you didn't. You could have chosen yellow, but you didn't. And I don't know if you remember from the beginning. From the beginning, I wrote down something on this piece of paper, and I put an X on the other side so that, you know, I wouldn't switch that so that there's no multiple outs or stuff like that. And you know it's the same paper, right? Like it's the same paper that was there from the entire time. And I wrote down a single color at the beginning. And you could have said any color, right?
Right.
You decided to go with pink.
That's good, man.
Thank you.
I was keeping my eye out for a switch, but I didn't see no switch. The pink, the yellow, and the green ball routine. I don't know how he did it, but I will say as soon as I saw the pink one, I'm like, that's the one I want to choose. And I know of some things, and I know of some ways he could have done it, and I was looking for one of those things, and I couldn't find them, and that either means he didn't do it, or he did it really, really well. So I really like that one.
Now, the small amount of people to whom I've shared these ideas, these routines that I'll be sharing with you guys, have literally taken them and directly applied them to their own online shows and way of thinking about multiple outs. My name is Taha Mansour. This is all about the tricks, and I'll be teaching you what I like to call multiple paths.